Hi dear viewers, today I'd like to introduce a device that is called, you can say, digital magnetic stirrer with hot plate. So if you'd like to know about each and every parts, how to use this specific apparatus, this video will really helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this device, how can you start? At first you have to connect this specific wire, that is any specific, you can say, switch. It is the switch of, you can say, electricity. And then I would like to open this specific button, that is, you can say, O or 1. When you'd like to press 1, then obviously it will be started. That means the machine will be started. And the next one, then if you'd like to manage the different kinds of things, then first of all, there are lots of options. Then these options, that is a, you can say, recycling or rotational option, and the next one, that is called the, you can say, RPM or revolution per minute. That also the, you can say, measure or unit of revolution. And the next one, that is called the, you can say, temperature, that it is showing approximately 40 degrees Celsius temperature, and the time that indicates 917 minute. And this specific icon, that is the symbolic icon of the external sensors. This specific sensor, when you'd like to measure the exact temperature of the solutions, then this specific external sensor will be used. And the next one, that is called, you can say, temperature. If you'd like to control this temperature, then you have to use this specific regulator. And first of all, I have to press this specific button, and then when I'd like to press, then I will, you can say, rotate in the clockwise. When I'd like to rotate this clockwise, then obviously the temperature will be enriched or increased. And the next one, when I'd like to rotate in the, you can say, counterclockwise, then the temperature will be decreased. And when you would like to set up a specific temperature in a specific value, then you have to press this specific button. And the next one, that is called the, you can say, button for revolution or button for rotation. When you'd like to increase that rotation, then you have to press this specific button, and then after pressing, you have to rotate this specific button clockwise, and that revolution or rotation will increase. And when you'd like to rotate counterclockwise, then the rotation will be decreased. And I would like to set this specific revolution at 515 RPM, then I have to press this specific button. In this way, I'd like to manage each and everything that is related to this digital, you can say, hot plate or stirrer. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this kind of videos. If you have any queries, then you can comment in the comment box, and I will try my best to assist you as far as I know. And then in the last portion, I would like to share a thing that is related to, you can say, magnet. Actually, in the beaker, a magnet is rotating. Actually, this rotation is controlled by this specific button that is called the, you can say, RPM controller. So that's the thing. If you'd like to, you can say, stop this specific button, then you have to, if you'd like to stop the rotation of this specific magnet, then you have to press this specific button. Then you'll be able to see the rotation of the magnet will be stopped. So if you'd like to stop the temperature, then you can press this specific button, and then you can say, rotate counterclockwise. In this way, you'll be able to use this specific device. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected with this channel, and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos. Thank you.